Good evening, everyone. Chasing Stars here, doing a video chart for EMXC, EMAX Worldwide. Today's date is August 1st, 2011. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the basics here. Obviously, we closed up today at 15.38% with a change of 2.0002. Friday's close was 13.0013. I know that there was a lot of talk, obviously, with a pullback here, which was very healthy for the chart, in my opinion. Let me go ahead and point out why. Right here, we had a little bit of a trading sideways right here, and then a little bump up and a pullback. All right. Now, to me, that's great, and the reason for that is, we had just a little bit of a sideways movement. Obviously, coming up from these other legs here, especially 9 up to a high of 19, so that was 10 points up, which is an easy 100%. So you're definitely going to see profit takers, and I'm going to go ahead to a line chart to explain the channel here. This is all obviously in my opinion, and this is what I see, and this is how I'm watching this. Right here, you can see we'll start down here at 0002, and we're going to build our line right here, our uptrend line right there, which rested there at about, I believe we hit 12 for a low. We didn't hit 11, which was good, but we did go down to 12, and we're bouncing right off of that. Now, if you go ahead and right there, that's what I would almost put my channel in being here now. So it's definitely forming a beautiful uptrend channel, and that's something you got to really pay attention for. And another thing is, right here, we come down, we hit the bottom of that channel, and of course it's almost always a given. You're going to see a bounce going right back up. So we're going to definitely keep an eye out for a movement coming back up off of that trend line and making our way up for the next leg. And it's obvious that every time we've come off that same thing, you're going to have profit takers and right back up, profit taking, and going. It's right there. You can see it. So let's take a look at the RSI. We're still in a beautiful uptrend, which is always good. Just a nice, beautiful, slight way up. The accumulation is still another thing that's still growing. So that's something to still watch for. And then the MACD. Obviously, like I said, we had a pullback, so we had a little bit of a crossover there. Be watching for this to turn back up on a positive note there as we start making our way up for the next leg. So back to this. Let's go over a little bit of support and resistance lines. Go ahead and set this here. We tapped on the support at 12 Friday, I believe it was, and it held pretty good. So after that, we're going to want to watch for our next one right here. I think we've seen 14 starting to form today. So that's definitely one to watch. I think we've seen a total of 10 million shares up at 13, so that's definitely a beautiful thing to be watching. And then obviously our next one, resistance line, we're going to want to watch for is 19. Let's go ahead and set that there. Okay, yeah. So we're going to want to watch for 19 as our next resistance, and then obviously what turns after resistance will turn into support. So that's another thing to watch. So that's the basics here, stuff to watch on this chart. And just go ahead and trade accordingly and have fun. We'll talk to you guys later.